Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you are fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. Children, we have seen 3 lessons in your science subject Nopana. So let us recall them. Okay. See the first lesson, more about plants. See, reproduction. What does mean by reproduction? Plants and animals reproduce to create more of their kind. Plants and animals reproduce to create more of their kind. This process is known as reproduction. Plants are reproduced in various ways. From seeds it will reproduce, from different parts of plants it will reproduce the another plant, and from spores. From seeds, from different parts of plants, and from spores it will reproduce the another plant. See from seeds, the structure of seeds, monocot, dicot. What does mean monocot? The seed leaf. This is seed leaf. The seed leaf. One seed leaf is there in a seed means that is mono. Mono means one. Di means two. So these seeds have two seed leaves. So this is dicotyledon. This is monocotyledon. See the outer covering seed coat. The inside a new plant, baby plant called embryo, and the seed leaves only it will store food. Next is germination of seed. Germination is the process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling in the presence of water, air and warmth. Water, air and warmth is known as germination. See, bean seed germination in soil. Seed, radical, then cotyledon will come outside and the first leaf and the plant. See, in the maize, see, the embryo will come outside, see the stem and the leaf, and root will grow under the soil. Seed dispersal. What does mean by seed dispersal? The carrying away of fruits and seeds to distant places from their parent plant is known as seed dispersal. So the seeds are dispersing by many ways, by wind, by water, by animals and the humans, and fruit explosion. See, reproduction in plants through vegetative parts. From the parts also the new plants will grow. Yes, no, Kana? So what are the parts? Growing plants from stem, growing plants from roots, growing plants from leaves, growing plants from spores. Next is agriculture. What does mean by agriculture? The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purposes is called agriculture. The large amount of grains, fruits and vegetables grown by a farmer in a particular season at a particular place is called a crop. A large number of seeds will grow together is called crops. Types of crops. There are two types of crops. Rabi crops, kharif crops. Rabi crops will grow from November to April and it does not depend on the rainy season, monsoon season. Example, wheat. Kharif crop. locomotion. What's mean locomotion? The movement. Turtles and crocodiles swim in water with the help of the webbed feet. Snakes move on the ground with the help of body muscles. Lizards and crocodiles use their short body limbs, arms are big, and stomach to crawl on the ground. Types of reptiles. See, these are all the reptiles. Skink, crocodile, lizard, snake, gecko, chameleon, tortoises, and turtle is the examples of the reptiles. Movements in mammals. Many animals have two pairs of limbs, arms and the legs. Yes, no, kana? The front pair limbs are called forelimbs. The limbs at the back are called hind limbs. Some use all the four limbs, some use only the limbs. Horses and sheep walk on the forelimbs. Monkeys and kangaroos use their forelimbs to hold things and stand on their hind limbs. So these are all the examples of mammals. Giraffe, deer, horse, sheep, pig, cat, dog, and the squirrel. Movement in birds. How the birds are moving on to another place? Birds that fly have well-developed wings, feathers, and strong flight muscles. Wings are modified forelimbs. Their bodies are light because of their hollow bones, which are filled with air. There are some birds which cannot fly. Aquatic plants such as ducks use their webbed feet to swim in water. Aquatic birds such as penguin and ostrich have very heavy body and it cannot fly. But penguin swim fast and ostrich run very fast. Migration. What is migration? The seasonal movement of birds and animals from one place to another is called migration. Dragonflies migrate to southern part of Asia during winter season. African elephants migrate in search of food during changes in resources availability. Breathing in insects. How the insects are breathing? Most insects breathe through special openings on their bodies called spiracles. The air reaches inside the body by a series of smaller pipes called trachea. Breathing in fish. Fish breathe through gills. Fishes breathe through gills. Breathing in amphibians. Adult amphibians can breathe through lungs and their skins. Breathing in reptiles and birds. They breathe through lungs. Breathing in mammals. Mammals breathe through their nose. Water mammals like whale and dolphins also have pair of lungs, so they have to come out of the water to breathe. Feeding habits of animals. So animals eat only plant. These animals are called herbivores. Animals like goats, horses have short front teeth and also have strong and broad molars for chewing food. Rodents. Rodents like rabbits, rats, and squirrels have long and front sharp teeth to gnaw their food. Carnivores. Carnivores like lions, tigers have sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Insects. Insects like mosquitoes and butterflies have long needle like proboscis. Next is body covering in animals. Okay, so feathers. What is the feathers? Birds' feathers keep them warm and help them to fly. Next is scale. Reptiles like crocodiles and snakes have scales for protection. Shell. A shell is a very hard and outer covering. It protects the soft bodies of animals such as snails and tortoises. Fur and wool. It keeps their body warm. Example, sheep and fox. Next, question and answer. How do insects breathe? Most insects breathe through special openings on their bodies called spiracles. What is migration? The seasonal movement of birds and animals from one place to another is called migration. What is shell? A shell is a very hard and outer covering. It protects the soft bodies of animals such as snakes and tortoises. See the long answer. some birds which cannot fly. Aquatic plants such as ducks use their webbed feet to swim in water. Aquatic birds such as the penguin and ostrich have very heavy body and it cannot fly. But penguins swim fast and ostrich run very fast. Children, learn the lesson objective type questions. Lesson number 1 and 2 objective questions and question and answers. Thank you.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Stay home, stay safe. Last class we discussed about chapter 3. The name of the chapter is the skeletal and muscular systems. In that lesson we discussed what is called skeletal system and what are the uses of muscular system. The skeletal system mainly consists of 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? Skull, rib cage and backbone. And we discussed the types of muscular systems, isn't it? Today's class we will have a revision part of this chapter 3, the skeletal and muscular system. Okay, see, the first one is choose the correct answer. See the first one, dash protects the heart and lungs. We already know that rib cage. Okay, heart and lungs are internal organs that present inside the rib cage. So rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Okay, what is the answer? Rib cage. The second one, the joint allows movement of bones in only one direction. The answer is hinge joint. Hinge joint is a joint. It allows only movement in only one direction. What is the answer? Hinge joint. Not ball or socket or cardia. Okay. What is the answer? It is hinge joint. It is a joint. It allows movement in only one direction. Okay. And the third one, muscles present in our heart is cardiac muscle. Okay. The muscles present in our heart is cardiac muscle, not skeletal or smooth. The muscles present in our heart is cardiac muscles. The next one, the human spinal cord is made up of 33 bones. Okay, the human spinal cord is made up of how many bones? It is 33 bones. And the fifth one, the bones of the bones. And the next one, last two ribs are called floating ribs. Why? Last two ribs are called floating ribs. Why? We already know that two ribs are not attached to the center bone, that is breastbone or sternum. See, last two pairs are called floating ribs as they are not attached to the sternum or breastbone. See, so they are called as floating ribs. Okay, and the next one, state any three functions of skeleton. What is the use of skeleton? The first one is the skeleton gives the body its shape. So first point, it gives the shape. And the second one, the skeleton provides support to the body. And the third one, the skeleton protects the internal organs from damage. For example, the skeleton consists of skull node. So brain is protected by skull and the rib cage. The internal organs like lungs and hearts are protected by rib cage. So the skeleton protects the internal organs from damage. So these are all the functions of skeleton. And the fifth one, give two examples of joints and muscles. Okay, the examples for joints is shoulder and hip joints. Okay, so shoulder and hip are hip joints are examples of joints. Muscles, cardiac and smooth muscles. The cardiac muscles are present in the heart and smooth muscles are present in the stomach. Okay, so these are all the examples of joints and muscles. Sixth one, where are tendons and ligaments found in our body? We already know that tendons and ligaments are the connecting tissue. Where the tendons, the muscles are attached to the bones with the help of this connective tissue, tendons. Okay, so tendons connect the muscles to the bones. And ligaments. Ligaments also are connecting tissues. It connects bone to bone. For example, ankle, shoulder, okay, elbow. Okay, in that they connecting two bones. So here, where are tendons and ligaments found in our body? See, tendons located at each end of the muscle. Where it is found? It is located at each end of the muscle. What is the use of tendons? It is a connecting tissue. It connects the bones and the muscle. Okay, next one, ligaments. Bones are held together by strong kind of fiber-like structure called ligaments. Okay, that is what is the use of ligaments? It is also a connecting tissue. It connecting bone to bone. Okay, so these are all about tendons and ligaments. And the next one, what is sternum? Where we can find sternum? We already know that it is found in rib cage. Okay, see, the sternum or breastbone is a long flat bone located in the central part of the chest. Okay, so the sternum, the other name of sternum is a breastbone. It is a long flat bone located in the central part of the chest. Then, eighth one, differentiate between a joint is the place where two or more bones fit together. What are the types of joints? There are two types of joints. One is immovable joints and the other one is movable joint. First one, immovable joint. Immovable means it does not allow movement. Okay, so it does not allow movement. For example, the joints of cranium in skull and ribs in the breastbone. There is no movement. Okay, so it does not allow movement. That is called immovable joint. What are the examples? The joints of cranium in the skull and ribs in the breastbone are the immovable joints. And the next one, movable joint. In the name itself, we have. See, movable joints allow movement. Immovable means it does not allow movement. Movable, it allow movement. The example, the joints in the elbow and shoulder. Okay, so movable joint allow movement. Examples, joints in elbow and shoulder. And the next one, how is our skeletal system useful to us? State its part. We already know that. As what is the main use of skeleton? It gives us a body shape. Okay. See, the skeletal system gives the body its shape, allows movement, makes blood cells. Like the bone marrow that produce the red blood cells. So they make blood cells and provide protection for organs, like internal organs, like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, etc. Okay, so what is the use of skeleton system? The skeletal system gives the body its shape, allows movement, makes blood cells and provides protection for organs. Okay, we know that what are the parts of skeletal system? There are three main parts of skeletal system. One is skull, second one is ribcage and the other one is backbone. Okay, see the first part, skull. Skull is the bony structure of the head that surrounds the brain and gives the head its shape. Okay, so the skull gives the head its shape. Okay, so skull is the bony structure of the head that surrounds the brain and gives the head its shape. That is called skull. And the second part of the skeletal system is rib cage. Okay, the rib cage consists of how many bones? It consists of 25 bones. One breastbone and 12 sets of ribs. 12 sets means 12 into 2. That is 24 ribs. Totally it consists of 25 bones. What is the use of this rib cage? It protects the internal organs like heart and lungs. It protects the internal organs like heart and lungs. Okay, this is about rib cage. And the next one, backbone. The skull is attached to the backbone. The backbone is a long bony structure that provides support for the body. Okay, what is the use of backbone? It provides support for the body. Here the skull is attached to the backbone. It provides the support for the body. So this is about skeletal system and the parts of skeletal system. Okay, the next one. Give examples of different types of bones present in our body. Okay, give examples of different types of bones present in our body. There are different types of bones present in our body. These bones are, each arm consists of one upper arm bone and two lower arm bone. Okay, so each arm consists of one upper arm bone and two lower arm bone. And there are how many bones present in our wrist? There are 8 bones in the wrist. How many bones? There are 8 bones in the wrist. Then the palm of each hand is made up of 5 bones. Okay, the palm of each hand is made up of 5 bones and 14 bones make up the fingers. Okay, our palm consists of how many bones? 5 bones, and our fingers consist of 14 bones. body. Keep in your mind, our arm consists of one upper arm bone and two lower arm bone. And our breast, in our breast there are 8 bones are present. Then in the palm of each hand is made up of 5 and the fingers made up of 14 bones. Then leg, each leg has one thigh bone, one kneecap and the other 2 bones, one of which is called shin bone. Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. Last class we saw about the lesson chapter 3, that is the skeletal and muscular system. Today's class we will have a revision part of this chapter. Come children, let us revise the chapter 3. In the skeletal and muscular system, we discussed about the what is called skeleton and what are the uses of skeleton, that is function of skeleton, then parts of skeleton, and we discussed the about joints and muscles. Okay, what is called skeleton? It is a framework of bones. Okay, that is called skeleton. In general, what are the uses of skeleton? It provides the body its shape and it protects the internal organs like brain, lungs, heart, stomach, etc. And it supports the body. Okay, so these are all the functions of skeleton. And the blood cells are produced in bone marrow. So it gives, these are all the functions of skeleton. And what are all the parts of skeleton? There are 3 main parts. One is skull, rib cage and backbone. What is called skull? It is the round part. It holds the brain. Okay. And the round part is called cranium. What is called cranium? It is the round part of the skull. It protects the internal organ, our brain. So skull protects the internal organ like brain, and the round part of the skull is called cranium. Okay, and rib cage. What is called rib cage? It consists of how many bones? 25 bones, 1 breastbone and 24 ribs. Okay, so it consists of 25 bones, 1 breastbone, that is the center part of the bone is called breastbone, and 24 ribs. In this, 22 ribs are connected to the breastbone and the last 2 ribs do not connect to the breastbone. So they are called as floating ribs or false ribs. Why? Because they are not connected with the breastbone. What is the use of rib cage? It protects the internal organs like our heart and lungs. The cardiac muscles that present only in the heart. Heart are covered with the help of cardiac muscles. It is an example of involuntary muscles. Why? Because that we cannot control the movement. And smooth muscles. The smooth muscles present in our stomach and in intestine. So here also we cannot control the movement. Okay, so this is about chapter 5. Okay, in this chapter we learned about skeletal system, what is called joints and muscles. Okay, next we will have a revision part of question and answers. Ready children? Come we will see. So these are all the different types of bones present in our body. And the next one, last question. What are the muscles? How are different types of muscles classified? We already know that muscles also classified into two types. One is voluntary muscles and another one is involuntary muscles. See, first what are muscles? Bones are covered with tissues called muscles. We already know that which tissue, connecting tissue connects bones with muscles? Tendons. Okay, so it is a connecting tissue. It connects bones to the muscles. So bones are covered with tissues called muscles. There are two types of muscles. One is voluntary muscles and another one is involuntary muscles. First one, what is called voluntary muscles and what are the examples of voluntary muscles? These muscles whose movement can be controlled. We can control the movement. These are called voluntary muscles. For example, muscles present in arm and leg. We can raise the hand. We can run with the help of legs. So it is movement. We can control the movement, isn't it? We can run fast. We can walk slowly. We can jump like that. So these are muscles whose movement can be controlled. The examples are muscles present in arm and legs. What is called involuntary muscles? It is opposite to voluntary muscles. In voluntary muscles, we can control the movement, but in involuntary muscles, we cannot control the movement. So have no control over their movement. See, involuntary muscles. These muscles work on their own, and we have no control over their movement. We cannot control the movement. That muscles are called involuntary muscles. The examples of involuntary muscles are cardiac muscles. We already know that the cardiac muscles are present in our heart, and smooth muscles. The smooth, what is the example of smooth muscles? That muscles present in our stomach and intestine. These are all called smooth muscles. We cannot control the movement. Okay, so we have no control over their movement. Such muscles are known as involuntary muscles. The examples are cardiac and smooth muscles. That's all children. Revise the lesson well, learn thoroughly and prepare well for your exam. Thank you.